Yeah. Mic check. Okay. Previously on Kimba TV. Kimba, I got stopped out in profit. I did too, but guess what, hoes? Yeah, I got stopped out, but it's all good. I saw the sweep. Look at where I entered. Remember, leave all this here. Okay, leave all that there. Dink, or dink to grab this, and we might even go higher. This is where we're at. Okay, so a couple of things real quick. Okay. I had like a good train of thought, but I just had a bunch of more work emails come in, so I just lost my good train of thought. Long story short, what did we talk about? I ignored the gamma and the gexes all week. We talked about how, Jerome Powell was talking in the morning, okay? We're reaching end of the week options expirations, end of the month options, like all that Gucci shit is kind of coming up. Certain things have already expired for monthly shit, okay? I mean, look at this. Look at this. It's pixeling. Everything is a pixel. So, and did you see the biggest gamma was at 43.90? It pixeled to 43.90. So you're thinking to yourself, okay, if it's gonna get pulled, where would it get pulled to? It just swept all these shorts. Okay, and the whole week, it's just stopping people out. So you're thinking to yourself, okay, Fibonacci-wise, 0.5 could be, we talk about these kind of movements, get rejected, POC, go back up to 0.5, nuke it. It would totally be fine if it did this for the next 4 hours. I wouldn't even trip. Okay, and then you could also even do, it all depends on if there's enough longers or enough shorters trapped. Okay, so if this bitch wants to come back and do this and trap even more longs, do it. But it's just fibbing, and just look at the structure. Treat the whatever candles like it's 5 minutes. Some of you guys are like, you guys were like shorting here and like you got wrecked. How? If anything, you're anticipating the sweep. You see the sweep happen, and then you enter and you put your thing at a higher high, and you actually entered on a short. Not getting stopped out. This is why we put it behind the 886, or you put it behind the higher high. So if anything, I could see like taking a short here on Kimba box and not getting stopped out. Aside from that, I don't know what y'all are doing. But yeah, it's straight mathin'. And like even this bullshit, okay, like it just pixeled, y'all. What the fuck? There's nothing out of the ordinary. Just pull fibs. You have to be patient. Anticipate worst case scenario. I think the problem is some of you guys are getting so dead set on the target that you're doing the copy trading thing that we talk about. I tell you where my TP is, and instead of actually figuring out where you should enter, you're just like market smashing. But I don't see anything where I would be like, oh, fuck. You just think worst case scenario, and are you okay with it? Yes or no? That's really all it is. That being said, I'm now going to move my stop losses and profit around 30,550. Okay, because the highest that it should go would be a Fibonacci golden pocket retrace. So I really don't think it should go higher than like 400 or 350 or whatever the fuck the golden pocket is, okay? Ideally, I just hope that it just makes a lower low now. Okay, but the whole thesis that we've been talking about this week is they're stopping people out. So if there's too many shorts, they're gonna say, go fuck yourself, and they're gonna take it all the way back and ride it with S&P. If there's too many longs, then we don't have to go that high. Any questions before I go? You know what you wanna see? Sato is long, awesome. He's been long for a minute. You know what you wanna see? Either people like Sato adding to their longs, like what I wanna see is like retail adding to longs. That would be fucking hilarious, because I actually might get the 295 then. Like if retail starts adding, yo, you know, but for now, let's just, 29.8 probably looks like the thangity thang. Okay, Bourbon says we are still waiting for the sweeps, right? Okay, I just kind of warned you about that. Let's not get so hung up on that. Do you understand that 30,050 is a PO's naked point of control and there's like a bullish div happening right here? It would be weird as fuck to let all these retail longers stick around. Okay, so the higher probable move has always been to stop people out before we make a higher high. That makes the most amount of sense, but it's all probabilities. If there's too many people just fucking shorting, okay, they might do this, sweep the shorts, and watch. There's going to be the same people that were bullish at 31.8 telling me how retarded I was for shorting. They're going to be longing right here at the top again as well. So I want the people that were like long bullish here, right? Everybody that was like, Kimba, you're going to get wrecked. I hope they start to get like bullish here, because then I might get 29.4. So you have to watch the order flow, Bourbon. We're not like, I have my plans, but things can change. All it takes is some crackhead, some rich oil prince in the Middle East to just fat finger a $20 million buy. Like, there's no way you can predict the future like that and be so certain that somebody isn't or somebody is going to actually buy and sell. That shit actually has to happen. You guys understand that the numbers are the levels are the levels, the numbers is the math is the math, but you still need people to buy and sell. Those actions have to be executed. So, there's a small chance that 30,050 could be a nice little long all the way back up to 31.2. I don't know. But what would be my invalidation if we break above this swing high, swing low golden pocket? I'm going to move my stop. Like, now my stop losses and profit is going to be right here, because that should be the sweep to go lower. We shouldn't go any higher than that. So that's a clear invalidation. Okay, ideally, we get something like this. Worst case scenario, swing high, swing low, golden pocket. Maybe it goes there again. So lots of people kind of freaking out. Okay, so I got to do work shit, but here we are. And same thing with this. Isn't this an exact fractal of what the fuck we just saw on Bitcoin? It nuked, found support at the 786, 886, went back up to the 05, and 05 got turned into resistance. It's about to lose this. Nuked through golden pocket. Somewhere in this zone, it found it. It bounced back up to 05. It lost the golden pocket. It should go back up and turn it into resistance. So if you see the shit enough, you're gonna like it. It's all the same shit, y'all. But you have to but that was a $400 swing. If you're gonna be like, bro, that's X amount of money, and you think that you can close there and re-enter and basically double your risk because instead of getting one trade right now, you have to get two trades right now. You have to get three trades. If you can bink, bink, bink and get out and re-enter and do that shit, God bless you, do that. I can't do that. There's nothing wrong with that. I would just rather sit there and, man up, if it stops me out and I miss out on 30, 40 G's, whatever. But you have to do your P&L, you have to do your risk reward with your unrealized profit. So you should figure out if it makes sense to you or not. And it's kind of like an individualistic decision, I think, on how you want to play that. That was a bounce of 30,000 to 30,500 or something, right? That was a huge bounce. But all it did was Fibonacci-wise, it went from the 786 right back to the 05. It swept, and then it just resumed back down. And we also knew that 4390, 4400 were the two biggest gammas on S&P. So if it had broken 4390 or 4400, I definitely would have just closed the short. I don't think I would have been waiting to see if there would have been a bear div at 4,400. That feels like a trap. It might have just blasted through. But there's really nothing that said, hey, we should bail. So, and if you bailed, it's all good. Like I said, it was a $400, $500 range. And this works both ways. Sometimes I'm wrong and I round trip my ass. Okay, I pissed away $250,000 profit one time because I did this shit and it didn't work out for me. Sometimes it does. So if this doesn't work next time, it doesn't mean that the whole thing is scrappable. This is what I do every single time. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. You guys have seen it both ways. Okay, remember I had the stop loss behind the 786 golden pocket. I pissed away 250 thou. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Y'all like that timing? Y'all like that timing? I summoned the market makers, y'all. How we doing? We got about 34 minutes until Wall Street closes. How we doing? How we doing? Math is math. Math is math. Shout out 05 Fibonacci. Okay? Okay? The fuck going on? We still need to watch out for Wall Street though, y'all. I think it's a lower probability, so you need to be okay if you're gonna wait for 29.4. Snap deadly for Shenley. Let's get nasty. Let's get nasty. Okay, I already showed all of my TPs, okay, and we talked about the probabilities of 29.4. Okay? I don't really want to be talking about it right now because I gotta make sure that I don't get liquidated. You heard? But we're getting ready for the next thing, y'all. Oh! Math! Boy! Boy! Na math man! All right, let's not get too carried away. Everybody good? Are we really that surprised, though? You know? Kimba gang? Huh? Huh? Hot dog! Hot dog! Give me that hot dog! Give me the hot dog!
It's over.
Give me the hot dog! Oh, hell no! No. No. Oh, hell no. See, you motherfuckers, I swear to God, every time I show these lines on stream, you guys try to front run me like this? No. We're okay. That's just the fake. That's a fake. Fake, right? Hopium? Listen, if I don't get filled on this, I'm not streaming the next two positions. Because y'all are fucking me up. No. Come on. Yo, hey, wait. Let's get DJ with it. Ah! Just in case. I'm not saying it, but just in case. I still got shit on my ass. I haven't TP'd yet. If you're in a long already, I hate you. Okay, but everybody good? Hey, it's great to be able to see this shit live, right? It's all up to us now, you know? Don't wait for me to get filled. You know, I mean, fuck, that's not a sweep, so what the fizzle, nizzle, shizzle, banana, fanafo, fizzle? But goddamn, did it pixel? Did it front run? You fucking hyper-aggressive lions. That was nice though, huh? I mean, at this point, the trade is done. Anything extra is juicy, so let's just assume it does like a bearish retest. Actually, you know what? Let me do this. I'm gonna get this one ready. And if this looks like ass, maybe we will get the 29.5 sweep. Who knows, right? This is fun as fuck though, is it not? I mean, like my trade, yeah, is still open. I haven't TP shit, but I mean, at this point, like the trade is done. You know what I mean? Right? Like we basically got here. It looks like a fucking, you know, it hasn't swept. 30,002-ish is weekly point of control and previous day low. Okay. Did it sweep CME? It did sweep CME. Right? Or no? What the fuck? Oh, what? Did it get swept? I don't know. What the fuck is this? I can't zoom in any further, officer. Fuck going on? That's trolling. See, that's institutional trolling right there. I have no fucking clue. It's only gonna bounce if I have the box here. Am I right? Am I right? Stupid ass box. Market maker, go. Oh, you know what? CZ is texting me. He said go do a lettuce break. All right, let's just be patient, y'all. We know what the levels are, okay? We got 43 more minutes on Macaulay Culkin hour. So let's just be patient. Let's let it do our thing. I don't even want to do this, but I'm going to do it just for shits and giggles. Let me just see what these clowns want to do right here. Let me just see what these clowns want to do right here. So it's been pretty interesting, and a lot of stuff both in traditional markets and in crypto, they kind of play out. So yeah, and it doesn't have to like click and make sense right away right now, you know, just after this week, you know, it eventually will, you know. But if you've been like actually trying and focusing, and it's not just like some gambling shit, it'll pay off. So the bulls haven't been that bad. If this was any time, if I was seeing this any time other than Macaulay Culkin hour, I would be getting it. I would be in a long. But the hour before, during Macaulay, and like 20 minutes, 30 minutes after Macaulay, like I think like statistically, like 60%, 70% of the positions that I take in that time period, I either pencil neck or I fuck up or I get stopped out for no reason. I'm seeing what you guys are seeing. It's not bad. It still needs to maintain this momentum when S&P comes back too. But everything that we've sort of asked it to do, break local golden pockets, turn it into support, come back and retest, it's been doing the thangity thang things. But fuck, I keep getting baited watching those things during Macaulay Culkin hour. Yeah, let's see what happens. I gotta, All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know the drill. All right. I don't care if you're long and I don't care if you're shorting. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. Stay safe. Sato, sign us out.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimbas is my name, trading is my game. Be cool is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.